If you were to start an industry and you want to be producing designer shoes and leather, do you know that the best location will be a place where there are other manufacturing industries? For instance, a trader who trades in products like manufacturing industries will prefer to go to a location where he can get all the goods he wants to sell at once and will not need to go to different places. Do you know why? Because when merchants and traders are able to source for marketable goods in the same area, it will reduce the cost of transportation and wastage of time. This will also create competition because when traders are going for a particular product made by one industry, other industries get competitive and also want their product to be purchased. And when there is competition, it will lead to innovation. Industries can come together to develop associations and attract development in that area where they are located. So, the advantages of concentration of manufacturing industries in a particular area are independence of industries, creation of employment opportunities, mobility of labor, provision of social amenities, healthy competition among industries, invention and innovation due to completion, development of cooperative societies, attraction of subsidiary industries in the same area. Trust you had fun learning in this lesson. See you in the next class. Bye.